Hi my friend, this is Shalene. Today we are introducing our Australian standard generators, customized for the Australian rental market. As we all know, Australia is a country with high temperature, high humidity, salty air and dusty environments. So the rental market pays more attention to durability and stability. The canopy uses galvanized steel. The chassis is hot dip galvanized, and all external fasteners, door locks, and hinges are made of stainless steel. It greatly reduces failure rate and maintenance cost. Great match for rental fleet needs. This unit supports different ways of transport: chassis towing, forklift handling, and single-point top lifting, ensuring flexible and efficient transport. This unit is powered by Cummins engine with Stanford alternator. It is fitted with a fully welded bonded fuel tank supporting 24-hour continuous operation. A three-way valve allows flexible fuel switching between internal and external tanks for long-time non-stop running. Deep sea controller and 4-pole ABB circuit breaker, equipped with leakage relay and RCD protection. Also with standard Australian sockets and main link system, fully meet with local power distribution requirements. From adapting to different environments and meeting standards, we provide one-stop customized solutions for different countries and applications. If you have any inquiry for customized generator and projects, please contact us. See you next time.